Studying abroad is a dream for many Indian students, often accompanied by the hope of free education. But what does the free education really mean? Is it truly possible to study overseas without spending a significant amount? Let's explore the reality, common myth, and scholarship opportunities available to Indian students. After knowing all these factors, you will know what free education means. When we hear free education, we often imagine studying abroad without spending a dime. But here is the reality. Free education means tuition fee free or low cost programs, mainly in countries like Germany, Norway, or France. While that is a huge relief, you will still need to budget for other essentials, bringing us to the expected cost. Studying abroad involves expenses like accommodation, food, transportation, study material, health insurance, visa fees, and proving financial capability. For example, in Germany, public universities like Technical University of Munich offer tuition fee free education. Awesome, right? But you will still need to deposit approx 11,900 euros into a blocked account, withdrawing 992 euros per month to cover living costs. So while tuition fees might be free, living abroad isn't. Now let's talk about where you can find these tuition free or affordable programs. Countries like Germany, Norway, Poland, Austria, France and have public university with little or no tuition fees for international students. This makes high quality education accessible, but these opportunities are limited and you will still need to plan for living expenses. That is where scholarships come in to save the day. Scholarships can lighten the financial load and there are some fantastic options for Indian students. Let's start what the Indian government offers for studies. First up, the Fulbright Nehru Fellowship for studying in USA. This merit-based gem covers tuition fees, living expenses, health insurance and travel for fields like public health, journalism or environmental science. To qualify, you need a bachelor degree with at least 55% marks, 3 years of work experience, proficiency in English with IELTS band 6.0 or equivalent, and a commitment to return to India after fellowship completion. Another great option is INLEX Shiv Deshani Foundation Scholarship, perfect for post-graduation studies in USA, UK or Europe. It offers up to $100,000 for tuition fees, living costs and travel in fields like humanities, law and fine arts. For this scholarship, you will need a first-class undergraduate degree with a minimum 75% for maths and science and 65% for humanity, law, arts and architecture. Solid English skills. You should not hold a postgraduate degree from other international university and have a confirmed admission to apply. Other than this, there are more scholarships that Indian government provides, such as National Overseas Scholarship. These scholarships are a big help, but they often cover only part of your expenses. Now looking globally, the DAT scholarship in Germany is a fantastic choice. It offers a monthly stipend of 992 euro for students, plus health insurance and sometimes travel costs. Similarly, the French government scholarship provides 1300 to 1700 euros monthly, health insurance and even accommodation support. These scholarships make study abroad more affordable, but they are highly competitive, so you need to stand out. Here is the bottom line. Tuition fee free education exists, but studying abroad is never completely free. So plan carefully, research deeply and apply early to maximize your chances. With the right strategy, you can make your study abroad dream a reality. Studying abroad is an incredible journey and you don't need to do it alone. If you need help, find a scholarship or planning your path, drop a comment or reach out to us. Hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more study abroad tips. Your dream is closer than you think. Let's make it happen.